Okay, guys, let's look at this Boom 1000 chart and see how you can make more money with it. But before we do that, guys, before we do that, let's check out the trading bot results for yesterday. So I think all my trades have now closed. Okay, so as you can see, this has actually made over $401. Okay, that's so amazing. $401. It's so beautiful. Okay, so that is the beautiful part about the trading board. And the funniest thing is that you can use it to trade any of these assets, that is the good thing about it. So this is $401 made already with this particular trading board without doing any chart trading or analysis. Okay, so for those of you who are having, congratulations to you guys. You will be able to make good money like this. You just need to understand the way the trading bot works and put it into action, and definitely you will be making cool money like this. Okay, guys, let's go deeper into what we have right now. Remember, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's do this together. Okay, this actually got to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, and if you should check out the patterns we are getting from here, so it is giving us M pattern, which means we are most likely to experience more selling than buying. Okay, and if you should check out here, it has given us a signal that the market has over bought already, so the trend should also change. Okay, but the trend can only change if it does not break out from this resistance zone, and since we've gotten this M pattern, it means that it is going to sell. It will not break out from the resistance zone, so we can easily come in somewhere here to sell. Okay, to sell, and of course put our stop loss somewhere here in case the market misbehaves. Okay, and you can see it sold for a very long time, which is what we get around here too. So which means we got more of a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so that is how easy it is. So guys, if you have been following all these patterns, you should be able to make some good amount of money for yourself right from here. Okay, in case you are not having the custom made indicator, that is the 3M custom made indicator, this is a way to go about. But if you are having the custom made indicator, it even makes it very easy for you to analyze the charts without stressing yourself, so you can just put that into use and make some good amount of money right from there. Okay, so the two options are yours right now, so you can take advantage of all these right away. So guys, I will be stopping right here again. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions down there in the comment section, and of course I will be there to reply you. And of course guys, if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and with friends and family. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.